Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well. Dear student, at first I would like to introduce myself with you. I am Muhammad Johirul Islam Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of Kalasara High School, Vijayanagar, Brahmanbaria. Dear student, today I am going to teach you how to make a tag question. At first, I would like to teach you what is tag question. Tag means at. Tag question means at short question. When a speaker speaks something and want to get support from the listener, he or she add a short question that is called tag question. Okay, my dear student, there is two kinds of tag question. One is affirmative and another is negative. Remember that all the time tag question, if the sentence is affirmative, tag question will be negative, and if the sentence is negative, tag question will be affirmative. Dear student, if you want to make tag question properly, at first you will have to learn some auxiliary verb and negative words. Dear student, open your khata and write down this auxiliary verb. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, ought to, dare. And then the negative words: no, not, none, never, nobody, no one, nothing, neither, hardly, seldom, scarcely, scarcely, rare, and scarcity. Have you written? Okay, let's practice. How to make tag question. Dear student, look at the board. Here I have written some sentence. You will have to make the tag question. I will teach you how to make this tag question. At first, you will have to find out if there is any auxiliary verb. Is there any auxiliary verb? If there is auxiliary verb, the tag question, when you write the tag question, at first you will have to write this auxiliary verb. Follow this sentence: he is a good student. Dear student, there is present an auxiliary verb. What is this? Is. So you will at first have to write this auxiliary verb. Then you will have to find if there is any negative words. As there is no any negative word, so tag question will be negative form of this auxiliary verb, and that is short form of not. Then subject. Remember that subject always will be pronoun. As he is a pronoun, so subject will be he. Have you understood? Number 2, they are our best friends. Dear students, Is there any auxiliary verb? Yes, there is an auxiliary verb, and that is are. So you will have to write this auxiliary verb here. Then, as there is no any negative form, so you will have to write the short form of not. Then subject. We, sorry, there is pronoun, so subject will be there. Clear? Number 3, we must not forget our freedom fighters. Here also present auxiliary verb must, so we will have to write must. Then there is a negative word, so there will not use not, only subject will be used. As subject is pronoun we, so we will have to write we. Dear student, number 4, Salma is a great singer. Here present an auxiliary verb, so we will have to write this auxiliary verb. As there is no any negative word, so we will have to use short form of not. Then subject, Salma. Salma is a noun, so we have to change this noun into pronoun. As Salma is a female, so the subject will be she. Understand? Then everybody must love their country. Their present must. So we will have to write must. Dear student, look here I have written some words. You write down these words in your khata. Everybody, everyone, some, somebody, someone, none, nobody, no one. They are present 10 words. When you find one of these 10 words as a subject, the subject will be they. As there is everybody present here, so the subject will be there, also there. But as there is no any negative word, we will have to use short form of not, then subject they. You can write this word also. Nothing, anything, something, everything. All things. When you will find the word nothing, anything, something, everything, then the subject will be it. Have you understood? Dear student, follow these sentences. He teaches us English. Look, here there is no any auxiliary verb. Then how we can make this tag question? Dear student, if there is no any auxiliary verb, you will have to make this tag question by using do, does or did. If the main verb is present, you will have to use do and does. When you will find s or yes with the verb, you will have to use does. When there is no any s or yes, you will have to use do. And when you will find the verb is past, you will have to use did. Another things are same. Okay, look, let's practice. He teaches us English. As there is no any auxiliary verb, so you will have to do does or did. As there is present es after the verb, so you will have to use does. Then if there is no any negative word, so you will have to use short form of not, then subject. He is pronoun, so subject will be he. Number 2, we love our country very much. Look, there is no any auxiliary verb, so the main verb is love. Love is present and there is no any s or yes with the verb, so the tag question will be do. You will have to use do. As there is no any negative word, so you will have to use short form of not, then subject. Subject we. As it is pronoun, so subject will be we. Then number 3, he went there. There is no any auxiliary verb, so we will have to check this main verb. Went. It is past form of go. As it is past, so the tag question you will use did. Then there is no any negative word, so you will have to use short form of not, then subject. As he is pronoun, so subject will be he. Number 4, nothing is impossible. There is present auxiliary verb is. You will have to write this auxiliary verb. As nothing is a negative word, so there is no need to use not, then subject. Nothing, anything, something, everything, all things, subject will be it. As there is present nothing, so subject will be it. Clear? Then number 5, every mother loves her child. There is no any auxiliary verb, so we will have to see this main verb loves present, and there is present s with the verb, so we will have to use does for making tag question. Then as there is no any negative word, so we will have to use one thing. Okay, every mother loves does, but look, when the subject will from the 10 words, this word will be changed. Does will be do, has will be have, is will be are, was will be were. As there is every as a subject, it will be does, but it will be do. As there is no any auxiliary, any negative word, so we will have to use negative form of this auxiliary verb, then subject. I think you have understood what I said. When you will find these 10 kinds of sentence word in a sentence as a subject, then these words will be changed. Does will be changed do, has will be changed have, is will be changed are, was will be changed were. I have taught you about 2 rules for making tag question. Another 2 rules remaining. I think if you join our next class, you will be able to completely make tag question. Thank you very much.